Assalamu alaikum respected doctors. Welcome to my YouTube channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today's the video number on our YouTube channel is 382. 381 same videos are present on our YouTube channel. And today our lecture is related to dental material and our chapter is Amalgam Part 2. It is the second video of Amalgam chapter. In first video part 1 we already studied the definition and composition of amalgam. Now today topic outline include number 1 classification of amalgam on various bases, number 2 advantages of amalgam, and number 3 disadvantages of amalgam. Now in third, fourth and fifth videos we will study the amalgam indications, contraindications and steps. Now first we start from classification of amalgam. We classify amalgam on 4 bases. First is based on copper content. Based on copper content we divide amalgam into 2. Number 1 low copper alloy which have copper percentage less than 6%. Second is the high copper alloy, in high copper alloy percentage of copper will be greater than 6%, from 6% to 30% copper. This is the first classification based on copper content into low copper alloy, high copper alloy. Second, based on zinc content. Based on zinc content, we classify again amalgam alloy into 2, zinc containing alloy and zinc free alloy. Now, what is zinc containing alloy? If the percentage of zinc present, if zinc percentage greater than 0.1%, this will be called zinc containing alloy. And second is a zinc free alloy. When zinc percentage is less than 0.01%, this is called zinc free alloy. Now come to the third base, based on shape of alloy particles. Which shape alloy particles are present? Based on shape we classify into 3. Number 1 leakage. There is the irregular shape of alloy. Second is the spherical, smooth spherical shape. And the third is the admixed. Admixed is the combination of leakage plus spherical alloy particle. Now come to the fourth base, based on number of alloy metals. In alloy, how many metals are present? We classify, how we define alloy? Alloy containing more than one type of metal. Now, based on number of alloy, we divide the amalgam into binary alloy. If we have 2 metals, silver and tin, ternary alloy, which have silver, tin plus copper, and quaternary alloy, which have silver, tin, copper, and indium. Now, after classification, come to the advantages of using amalgam. There are 6 advantages of using amalgam. Number 1, easy to insert. Insertion of amalgam into teeth cavity, prepared cavity is easy. Second is less technique sensitive. Per amalgam there is no rubber dam isolation required. There is no contamination per slab, less technique sensitive. Third, maintains anatomic form of tooth. When we restore from amalgam, we can build cusp and grooves. Fourth is a less fracture of restoration. Amalgam restoration have less chances of fracture. Number 5 is the decrease marginal leakage. In amalgam, due to corrosion product which come between restoration and tooth margins, they fill the marginal leakage. And 6 is the increased life of restoration, and amalgam is a long life restoration. Now come to the disadvantages. First disadvantage is aesthetically not suitable because it is not like tooth color restoration white and not aesthetically acceptable. Third is the increased brittleness. because it is a brittle. Third, more chances of corrosion. In amalgam, there is a more chances of corrosion. And number 4 is the has galvanic effect, mean galvanic shock and patient feel current like effect is the galvanic effect. And number 5th disadvantage is the no chemical bonding with tooth structure because it is mechanically bound, and we prepare cavity which give mechanical bond to the amalgam, not like chemical bond in JSA. Now today part 2 is end. Now we have Telegram channels and WhatsApp group. Are you people? If you are MBBS student, we have channel on Telegram by name First to Final Year MBBS lectures. If you are BDS student, we have channel on Telegram by name First to Final Year BDS lecture. There everyone can share notes, books, videos, and daily we will share notes, books, videos, past paper. And we also have a WhatsApp group for first year BDS boys and first year BDS girls separately. There everyone can share notes, books, videos, and also request. And we have a second BDS group for boys only, and also we have third BDS group for boys only. In future we will also create for girls also. Now all links are present, all links of channels and WhatsApp group are present in description of this video. You can directly join by clicking the link. Now if you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button for more videos, mean for 3, 4 and 5 of this chapter. And also press the bell icon in order to receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.